Hello guys and welcome back to GosTech. Today we will learn how to add animation elements and animation templates on Canva. To add an animation element, go to Elements, and you'll see Stickers. Click See All. Then you'll see many categories of animation elements. Let's choose Food Stickers. Then I'll put some stickers here. On the right up corner, you will see a play button in seconds. Every animation has its own animation seconds. Now let's change background color. Now click the play button on the right up corner to see your animation project. Let's put some texts here. You can also animate your text if you want. Let's try with the animated template. Some are free and some are paid. Let's choose this one and see how it will look. That's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more.